How to turn off post views on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off post views on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn off post views on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch a TikTok app, what you want to do is you want to simply come to the profile page. Now you know that there are profile views, but did you know that there is also post views, and you can disable this feature by just tapping the three lines option from the top right and then going to settings and privacy. From here on, you can just go to the privacy tab, and under privacy you can just try to look for the option called post views. This will enable anyone to know that you have viewed their post, but you can just go ahead and disable this option and no one else will be able to know that you viewed theirs, and you will also not be able to know that they viewed yours. This way you'll be able to find post views and turn it off on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.